How to restart an Android phone without using the power button. In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Android phone without using the power button. I'll walk you through two simple methods that work on most Android devices. The first method is to swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Then, swipe down again to expand the Quick Settings menu. Look for the power icon, usually located in the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap on it, then select Restart to reboot your Android phone. If you don't see the power icon or this method doesn't work on your device, don't worry, there's another option. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Shortcut and Accessibility. Then scroll down to Accessibility, tap Accessibility menu, and turn on the Accessibility menu shortcut. If prompted, tap Got it or Allow. Once enabled, you'll see a small accessibility button appear on your screen. Tap it, then select Power and choose Restart. That's it. You've successfully restarted your Android phone without using the power button. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.